Mr. Sis presents me making a pizza on the microwave. Enjoy the show. Even though I got the pizza on the fridge, let's get the pizza out of the fridge and let's put it in the microwave in the kitchen. Alright, I'm in the kitchen. Now let's put the frozen pizza in the microwave and heat it to 2 minutes. Let's do it. Alright, so I got the program set. Now let's begin. Oh, finally, yes! Alright, let's eat this pizza because it's delicious now. Delicious. And that's how you make a pizza on the microwave. Anyways, this is me. Peace out, and I'll see you in my next video. And bye, everyone. The end.